name is Okello David. I am a lower secondary teacher, ICT teacher from Padibe SS Lamwo district, northern Uganda. In this podcast, I'll explain how technology can support student motivation, focus, and learning. Using technology right way in class can help motivate students, but motivation does not come from tool alone. It comes from how we design the learning. According to self-regulation theory, students have three basic needs: autonomy, involvement, and competency. When these three are balanced, learners feel confident, stay motivated, and learn better. This is what we call the AIC theory. Autonomy means giving students some control. For example, they can decide when to do a certain task. Then involvement is about feeling part of the class. Students need to feel that they can give help and receive help when needed. Competence means students feel capable. Learning should be challenging but not too hard. When we give clear instruction and enough support, learner can succeed. With technology, attention and focus can be a challenge. Video notification and social media can easily distract students. Our brain cannot multitask, but technology can help us teach self-regulation skill like planning, problem solving, and staying focused. Research shows that students who learn these skills perform better. There are simple digital tools that can help. With classroom screen, you can show instruction, timer, symbol, or even noise meter. This helps students know what to do and how to behave. With live monitoring tools like Lamwo or Google Drive, you can follow student work real time and support them when they need help. With website control tools like Meander, you can block distracting websites and keep learners focused. With online engagement tools like forum, Padlet, students can share ideas, brainstorm, plan work, or express how they feel. But remember the key rule: you are in control. Technology should support learning, not replace your role as a teacher. You decide when to use and when not to use it. Use technology to keep students active, focused, and motivated to reach your learning objectives. I wish you all the best as you try these ideas in your classroom. Start small, reflect, and adjust. Good luck with this course, and good luck as you continue to strengthen your teaching with technology, one lesson at a time. Thank you for listening.